Yeah, very, very supportive brother.
You're not necessarily new. I mean, you've been in the business for quite a long time.
I'm pretty new. Yeah.
Sira. So how's it working with Pao?
I've worked with him before actually when he started out dito sa ABS-CBN and it was...
Ikaw ba yung describe niya na nag-guide sa kanya?
I think so. And then, first soap or guesting mo yata sa 100 Days to Heaven. And already there doon sa eksena na kasama ko siya, nasa boardroom meeting kami. At, you know, Paolo Avellino comes there with his star quality. Lahat sa set talaga parang, wow, so this is the new guy. So of course, ako up until now, I still have the respect and the starstruck quality kay Paolo. So it's an honor and a pleasure to be working with Paolo.
Ang konting reaction pa na ano.
Tribute pala, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Gcash ko is...
Naalala ko yung eksena yun, sobrang intense rin ng eksena yun, but you know, I'm very happy that we get to work with this cast. We've seen their performances on The Alibi Prime Cut, and parang siguro isa sa mga tumatatak or isa sa tumatak sa akin yung performance ni Matthew Cabrera, Mighty Matthew. So, ayun, makes me realize I still have a lot to learn.
Wow, grabe ang humble naman ni Pao.
Super naman talaga to si Paolo.
Super talaga, happy birthday, Paolo Avellino. Tao, ikaw naman, what's your role here?
I play the role of George Cabrera. Baka dito Cabrera ako eh. sa
Kaya
prime kasi,
napatingin sila sa'yo.
Kaya pala nag-react, kaya pala
hindi nyo alam, hindi nyo alam. You have to watch it dito.
Okay.
Kasi baka Cabrera ako dito. I don't know. Hindi natin alam sa editing ng ginawa namin dito. But, pero sa doon sa unang
Nagka moment of
pinalabas.
silence.
Ay, no, parang bilang nagtinginan lahat eh.
But I'm Paolo's confidant here. Isa ako sa tumulong sa dalawa kay Pao at kay Kim na ma-solve kung ano yung nangyaring, you know, for The Alibi, yung mismong The Alibi. So yeah,
And how's it working with Kim and Pao?
it's really nice. Gusto ko man sabihin na bago lang ako ngayon sa industriya, but I've worked with so many with most of the love teams here in ABS-CBN, and I must say it's the first time that I've worked with Kim Pao, and iba yung magic nila sa set. They balance each other, and they, you know, hindi ko yun nasabi sa inyo, but alam ni Kim yung kasi tawa ko ng tawa kasi minsan lang dumalaw si Kim sa set namin ni Pao, and binabalanse nila yung mood kahit mabigat yung mga eksena. So it's really nice. Thank you for that wonderful, you know, work environment. Yeah, I'm just glad I was able to witness it and experience it.
Wow, so you just revealed na bumibisita si Kim sa set ninyo, pero hindi wala siyang eksena.
Daming sinabi ni MJ.
I didn't say that! Ikaw ang nagsabi nun.
Sabi ko kasi galing siyang unit 2.
Okay.
Pumunta siyang unit namin.
Ako nakikinig lang naman ako sa mga sagot ninyo. Di ba?
Baka wala akong sinabi
Ayusin mo
gano'n.
daw.
Ayusin mo, alibay mo.
Nasa Cebu lang kami.
Okay.
So, nasa lang kami isang hotel.
Okay.
Tama na to.
Okay. Sophia, ikaw naman. What's your role here?
I'm playing the role of Claudia Cabrera.
Okay.
Asawa ni Vincent. I'm a mom. I have a daughter. And I super love Stella's character here. Super love with talaga siya. Wala kaming conflict. Yeah, but I'm just very happy to be part of this project. Kasi growing up, napapanood kasi namin si
Grabe yung growing up!
Hindi
Sophia,
totoo.
dahan-dahan ng konti.
Hindi. They're such like inspirations to me. Like, yung the way they work, the way they process things, the way they study their characters. Sobrang dedicated sila. And I started to realize na hindi basta-basta yung project na to. Nandito yung mga big stars, you know, so it's not really that easy. But nandyan sila to help me, and of course the directors.
No, the good thing that yung sinabi mo, habang nagkasalita ka, Sophia, na-realize ko, direct yung age nila hindi nagkakalayo eh. Nilang lahat, no? Your cast, and they're pretty, parang for me, Sam,
Yeah, that's
Send mo na lang.
Tama.
Send mo na lang, Sam.
With Angelina and Robbie, we're about the same age.
No,
Roughly.
huwag yung isama tong side na to. Mga mga bagets dito kami. No, parang, direct nasasanay ako dati, pag may soap, parang it's a mix of, diba, lahat, parang all ranges, pero ito parang it's, all ages are close, direct, diba? What can you say about the casting?
Iba rin kasi yung pag-approach nila dun sa character. May mga intense scenes na talagang nandun sila sa character nila. They really dug deep na kunin yung character na yun.
Oo.
At nakukuha naman nila talaga.
Galing.
May mga approaches sila yung pag sobrang intense. Paolo was quiet from morning, ganyan. Kasi pinaghahandaan yung si Kim, lagi siyang may notes. May notepad siya para alam niya yung continuity ng characters niya.
Really?
So yun yung magaling, parang alam niya kung saan pupunta.
Okay.
Ay, direct hindi ko na ako iyak dito. Okay. Mako-question, ako ba?
May Bible.
May Bible siya.
Okay, pag-usapan natin yung Bible na yan mamaya. Let's go to Sam first.
Yes, hi.
Your role?
I play the role of Walter Cunanan. Na pakabait din na na empleyado ng Cabrera Group of Companies. Kahit medyo dramatic yung childhood niya, he's very smart, he's very cunning. He naging protege ni Arthur, played by, of course, si Sir John.
Right.
Yes, he's very smart, cunning, patient, and revengeful.
Oh.
Yes.
Medyo nahihilig ka na sa mga ganyang characters, yung mga dark characters.
Hindi sa mahilig, pero
Nababagay sa'yo?
ah,
Ba't ka natawa, Sophia? It's just a character.
ano mo sabihin sa akin
Kaya nga.
Ano? Bakit? No, I mean si Derek Roel, he also said na parang yung mga gray or contributed characters, mas nagsishine ka.
Right.
And this is a gray character. There's a reason why yung lahat ng ginawa niya. There's a reason why, of course.
Right.
And yeah, it was a challenging role, but it was a fun, challenging role. And medyo yun, gray, darker character.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. Okay, nabanggit na ni Direct Jojo yung Bible ni Kim and then the way Paolo prepares for the scene. Your roles sa series na to and talk about yung sinabi ni Direct Jojo how you prepare. Paolo, we begin with you. You play the role of?
I played the role of Vincent Cabrera, nakakatandang kapatid ni Edward Cabrera at mas batang kapatid ni Mighty Matthew Cabrera.
So middle child.
Yeah, middle child. Ako ang namamahala ng press company namin. So journalist ako dito, pero nasangkot ako sa mga maraming bagay at maraming sikreto. Yun. Doon ko hinahanap yung katotohanan na.
And the way you prepare for the scene, nabanggit ni Direct Jojo na parang pag may intense scene ng araw na yun, direct, no? Parang tahimik si Paolo.
Hindi naman, just setting the right mood.
Energy, no?
Yeah, mood and energy for the scenes. And actually, kaya ako tahimik kasi pinapaikot-ikot ko yung lights sa isip ko kung paano ko para nakakaya rin kasi sa veteran actors kung di ba, nagka-cutter na puputol dahil nagkakamali.
As much as possible ba, you want to achieve a take one?
Yes, pero syempre nowadays, it's like they take several angles.
That's right. Direct, take one ba halos lahat ng mga actors mo?
Usually pag heavy scenes, more or less, uunahin namin yung close para doon makuha ng first take.
That's right.
Good. Kung i-guide mo for a second take and third take.
Pero ganun si Kim sa kasi Pao, they achieve it as much as possible.
As much as possible lahat ng mga actors na naanuhan ko.
Nice.
Nabibigay nila ng first take.
Nice. Kim, your role here.
Ay, ako dito si Stella Morales, aka Alegria sa Gabi. So, isa ako...
Sino namili ng name na Alegria?
I think sila, mga writers na.
Mga writers. Okay.
It means joy.
Yes. Give joy at night.
Ang tawag mo.
Nag-give joy ka naman talaga.
Yes,
Oo.
Alegria. Isa siyang star dancer sa isang bar. And meron din siyang mga problema na dinadala, but at the same time, siya ang alibi ni Vincent sa lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan nila sa kumpanya.
Talk to us about the notepad. You have a notepad.
Notebook.
Notebook. Okay. Why?
Notebook siya. Lagi ko siyang every project, meron talaga akong notebook for my emotional continuity. Kasi
Okay.
minsan hindi ko nakokontrol yung emotions ko. Parang it's all the same. So para lagyan ko ng level 1 cry, level 4 happy, level 3 sadness, ganun
May-
na. Level 10 explosive na yun. So super cry na with matching sigaw na.
Nakita mo na yun, Pao? Yung notebook niya?
Nakita.
What can you say sa ganong style ni Kim? Just to make sure na hindi niya nakakalimutan yung continuity niya.
Ako, I think more local actors should practice it.
Kanino ba natutunan yun?
Wala, ako lang, sinusulat ko lang. Kasi nahiya na ako sa mga eksena ko pag ulit-ulit.
Right.
So, ikaw as actor yourself, dapat alam mo din kung paano mo, saan mo ibibigay yung dapat. Para hindi ka lang nakadepende sa director or sa ibang artista. Dapat aware ka rin sa sarili mong performance.
Galing!
Actually, siya at saka si Jody Santa Maria nakitaan ko ng panagan.
Talaga?
Yes.
And it's good, direct, from the director's point of
But may
view.
guidance kasi.
Oo. Pero minsan nagugulat ka ba na parang, ay, alam ni Kim yung ano?
Oh, kailangan mo talaga alam na alam mo yung script mo.
Oo.
Kung saan pupunta.
Kasi baka kanina reaction mo parang feeling mo ikaw pa yung
Tsaka
mali.
every question kasi sa mga actors parang magtatanong at tatanong sila. You should know by heart yung story.
Alright. Now that they've shared yung kanilang mga characters, let's begin the Q&A